Hi guys, it's Sherry. I am going to show you a really fast way to make some really cool earrings out of wood buttons. So I purchased this quite a while ago, and I mean, these buttons are really neat, but what do you do with them if you don't want them for your clothes? So what I was thinking was I can make some earrings out of these. So I just kind of chose two here that I want to use. And you're really going to be surprised on how easy this is and how beautiful they come out. If you really like the boho hippie style, this is right up your alley. So I already did two of them. They're completed, but I want to show you quickly how I did them. And I'm using No More Nails. You could use wood glue. You could also use, what do you call it? Super glue. I prefer the No More Nails because this stuff works like magic. So you can see I'm not putting a whole lot on there. And then I'm just going to line them up. Make sure they're nice and straight and even. And then I'm just going to let them sit there for a moment. I also want to make sure that I'm drilling a hole. I did this one already. So I'm going to take my drill here, and I'm going to kind of figure out where exactly I want to drill my hole. And I'm just going to kind of go there and then just drill right through. And I only have to do it to one of them because I want to make sure that everything is even. So let me do this again. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes to make sure that that seal is good before we start going on to the next thing. So you could really glue a bunch of these together all in one shot if you wanted to. Or just wait the 5 minutes. All right, so it's been about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and you can see right now, I can't move that. So that tells me that I can drill my piece in now. So I'm just going to use the hole that I initially put there, and then I will go right through. And by doing it that way, you know that your holes are going to be exactly the same. If you're going to do, this one and this one and this one, you run the chance of them not lining up properly, but at least this way, you know they will line up properly. There we go. So very simple. Next, I want to end up covering up those holes in the middle just because I think they're ugly looking for a pair of earrings. So I am going to take a bead cap and I'm going to squirt a little bit of my No More Nails. And this is why I like the No More Nails, because it works on metal and everything. Just kind of fill that up. And then just place it right there. They will dry clear. I just take a little stick here and I'm going to kind of clean up a little bit of this extra glue. Kind of just put it right where I want it. So I'll let that sit there and dry for a little bit. And then after it dries, I'll end up doing the same thing on this side. And a matter of fact, let's just do them both at the same time. You can use resin for like an instant thing, but I personally didn't want to put resin on these. I just wanted to keep it simple. Just push that over. Line that up the way I want it. There we go. All right, and then I'm just going to put that off to the side and let them dry. And then for this one, I'm going to use my little tiny cabochons. I use a lot of these in my clay, but for this particular piece, I want to use it on wood. And all I do is take my No More Nails, and you can see how little I used. And then I'm going to just place them right on. And this will cover up those little holes. And I'm going to center everything. Clean up any extra glue. And like I said, it will dry clear, but I like to kind of take off anything extra. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side right away, just so it's less that we have to wait. And once they dry, this is what they will look like. Can you see how beautiful? So you could do, these are double-sided. Each one is a different one. You could choose what design you like best. You could do them the same. I thought this was super cute, so I went with that one first. But if I'm wearing something different and I want to do this one, I can. But how great is it just using some buttons, some bead caps, and a little bit of glue, and these little plastic cabochons. But how fabulous are these? So I really hope that I was able to show you a quick little trick here, and another way to use your mixed media. I will see you next time. Bye.